Alright, today we're going to be looking at how to dispose of 6-pack rings off of your sodas. So we're just going to cut each individual hole. That way little critters like fish, birds, turtles, any sort of little life doesn't get stuck in these holes. So yeah, we'll show a couple pictures of what we're talking about. Yeah, we don't want anything getting stuck in these, just to make sure nothing gets caught in these little holes. Little fish or birds will crawl into these holes and then can't get back out. So we're just making sure that there's nowhere for somebody to get stuck.
LDPE can be recycled. Please check with your local recycling center.
How to sustainable living.